How to fix failed payments in Jasper. Oh, snap. Got a failed payment? Here's what to do. 1. Reactivate subscription. If your monthly subscription renewal fails, you'll be bumped out to our reactivate page. This page will show you that your workspace has unpaid invoices, and you will need to reactivate to use your workspace. Active subscriptions will have no unpaid invoices, so we ask that you pay your monthly subscription price to ensure your Jasper account is up to date. You can view past invoices on this page, update your credit card on file, and even cancel your account on this page. 2. Reached your plan limit message. See this funky little message in the app? Your account has probably accumulated additional charges that failed and / or are unpaid. If you are curious what those could be, check out our additional charge document. All Jasper pending invoices need to be paid to regain access to your account. If you notice something off, kindly let us know at hey@jasper.ai to troubleshoot this with you. 3. Sign up payment. If you are trying to sign up for Jasper and your payment is not going through, ensure you have turned off any pop-up blockers during your sign-up process. We authenticate cards through a 3D secure authentication for your privacy and security. This message should pop up after you enter your card details. If your card is declined or your card has failed, it is due to restrictions by your bank or through our system. Check out our supported payment methods here.